the Zorro from RadioMaster. Just perfect for the most part. Hey, welcome, RadioMaster Zorro. If you're watching this and thinking about getting one, do. Ever since receiving it from Banggood, thank you Kylie, it has been my daily driver and it's one I pick up implicitly. Quick rundown of the hardware: Hall effect gimbals, nice big screen, plenty of switches, buttons, potentiometers, future proof with external modules if you want, ultra low latency connection to the sim, simple charging, external battery if you need it, Edge TX, Velcro, an 18650 pack here, you'll be golden all day long. It does have a couple of little drawbacks, nothing that stops me using it. I've used it at British qualifiers, the global qualifier, esports championships. I love this. The screen is massive.
Welcome to Edge TX.
You can see this day, night, direct sunlight, cloudy day. Very, very intuitive, nicely laid out form factor on the buttons. Trims, I fly fixed wing. Yeah. Before this, my daily driver was the Tango 2 and I run a ELRS module on it. FreeSky X-Lite, Derpy's 4-in-1 T-Lite. Of the Gamepad style ones, obviously the T-Lite's the smallest, the Zorro's the biggest, but I've got large hands. This just sits so nicely in my hands. I do keep my fingers over the potentiometers. The T-Lite's a little bit too small. The Tango 2 is perfect. And the X-Lite's just too long in the tooth for me now. I need the versatility of ELRS. You will notice every single radio has aftermarket stick ends on, which is one of the cons. The stick ends that come with this were a bit too, they lacked grip, should we say. So I'll just stack these up. So there you go. And upended, Tango 2 on the right, Zorro on the left. It does have a couple of little drawbacks, I'll get to those. One main drawback, besides the stick ends, is these batteries, 18350s. Yeah. There seems to be a little bug in this where if you run it too low, the ELRS module will stop transmitting, should we say. That may be a bug in the software, it may be a bug in the hardware, I don't know. But if I'm racing seriously, I will keep this battery topped off. It only outputs a maximum of 250 milliwatts, and that will seriously drain the battery. But just keep that in mind. You can run it on an external 2S, even have one in your pocket with a cable run to it. Happy days. The mini CNC gimbals are available. I am just about to order some. Again, this was provided by Banggood. I would buy this in a heartbeat. I run an external 4-in-1 module on it for my race whoops now with Red Pine, which will transition to ELRS obviously. I can't speak more highly of this radio for the price, including its misgivings. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. Leave a comment, I'll get back to you straight away. And thank you again to Kylie. Very much appreciated you sending me this. I've been evaluating this for a long time. This is the radio I pick up time and time again without fail. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you later.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. I've been staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I